Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I've just finished praying for friends, family, some of my subscribers that are not feeling well. I just thought I'd come on and do a little bit of relaxation in my mini binder that I enjoy so much. Last week I did a spread. I hadn't been in it for quite a while. When I start fresh, I'm going to start stamping the dates inside of the finished work, because I would always have to go back to YouTube and have a look at my videos to see when was the last time I made a video for my 3-ring mini binder. So I just thought I would come on and have a play in it while I catch a break. Yeah, so I know some of you are not well, so I just thought let me do some prayers. And if any of you that's logged on now would like me to pray for you, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that. I just took out some bits and bobs that I thought I would use. Just got a little idea. I'm not quite sure what part of the picture I want to use. Down here it's got the pink, and here it's got a bit of the yellow and the blue. This is a nice piece up here. I do like the stems, but saying that, this piece is nice. The butterflies clash in a bit with the window. I think I will get a bit more colour right here. You think? Okay, I'm gonna cut it out. Actually, what I should do, I can glue right there and just cut round it. So I like the pink, a bit of pink here. Yeah, do there. And then I'll turn it around and just do here. And then I'll cut it out and we'll take it from there. Love these window frames, and I don't get to use them very often. I went through some of them today and I thought, okay, let me challenge myself and see what I can do with it. Okay, done with the paper for a minute. Have we? No, I have not finished with the paper. And let me trim this a bit better. And then I can put it in the middle here. But first of all, I would like to just give it a bit of colour. Right. I think that would look nice once it's split down the middle. Once it's cut down the middle, I think it will look nice. I do have some of these little corner flowers. There's one here, put that there, and then there's one here, put those there. And I'll see what else I can use. That'll do. And then we've got this one. There we go. Lovely. And putting that there in the middle, I wanted to put this on the corner here. I like that, but I need some flowers. Let me cut these out. Let's just and I like this girl. I think I'm going to put her there. Let's see if she'll fit. Yep, she'll fit. Okay. I had decided what girl I wanted just to make sure that I didn't waste time just flicking through pages. I will cut through the middle here. Do my best to cut right through the middle. Alright. I love that now. And once they've been put together, that's it. That is so nice, if you don't mind me saying. Let's get it all, the holes punched. Let's punch the other one. And there we go. That's that. I'll most probably do one more in here and finish up with this one and get another binder. That is lovely. Let's see if I can show you properly. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.